Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman, and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Cancer cells with thicker glycocalyx barrier are better at evading immune cells, find study. One of the ways that cancer cells hide from the body's immune system is by forming a thin surface barrier called the glycocalyx. In a new study, researchers examined the material properties of this barrier with unprecedented resolution, revealing information that could help improve current cell-based cancer immunotherapies. Cancer cells often form the glycocalyx with high levels of cell surface mucins, which are thought to help protect the cancer cell from immune cell attack. However, a physical understanding of this barrier has remained limited, especially as it relates to cell-based cancer immunotherapies, which involve removing immune cells from a patient, modifying them to seek and destroy cancer, and then putting them back into the patient's body. Research shows bodies of people with mental illnesses to be biologically older than their actual age. New research shows that people with a lifetime history of mental disorders such as depression, bipolar disorder, or anxiety disorders have blood markers suggesting that they are older than their actual age. This may go some way to explaining why people with mental health problems tend to have shorter lifespans and more age-related diseases than the general population. Researchers from King's College London looked at data on 168 different blood metabolites from 110,780 participants in the UK Biobank. They linked these data to information on whether individuals had a history of mental illness and found that those with a mental illness had a metabolite profile older than would have been expected for their age. Two promising molecular targets for drug development in recurrent and metastatic cervical cancer identified in new study. NRG Oncology GOG0240 is the phase 3 randomized trial which demonstrated that the incorporation of bevacizumab with chemotherapy resulted in a statistically significant and clinically meaningful survival benefit for women with recurrent and metastatic cervical carcinoma. GOG0240 was a proof of concept in anti-angiogenesis therapy and a proof of principle in supportive care and led directly to an indication for bevacizumab in this disease in over 60 countries. Whole genome sequencing and whole exome sequencing of tumor samples obtained in GOG0240 suggests that ARID1A and PIK3CA could represent potential targets for drug development in the recurrent or metastatic cervical cancer space. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.